Today discussing topic is about a thermovision camera. The name of the company is Testo. You can see here the Testo. Testo is the thermovision camera, and this is the box of the Testo. From here you can open the box, and inside the boxes lots of things you can see. Here the big camera was, this is the lens, battery, different types of charger port, and manual is also present here. This is the manual of Testo, the brief introductions of Testo 885 or Testo 890. So our camera is 890, Testo 890. Here you can see the overview of the display. You can clearly see, that's why I am just capturing the pictures. Here the initiation process, how you can initiate it, and what is options, how you can inserting the rechargeable battery and memory card also. From here how the menu bars and the tab to window you can open. Here the different options is given for settings, country setting, time setting, here the hour minute setting, date setting. Here the initial charging of the rechargeable battery, how you can do it and how you can understand that the battery is full charged conditions. When the battery is full, steady LED light disconnect the imagers from the main unit, and charging time it is flashing. The basic operations manual, how you can adjusting the head and attaching the lens covers, etc. The clear instructions is given here. Here also you can see the rotating of the display handle, how you can rotate it. You can clearly see the instructions given. Please read the instructions if you are interested. Switch the image on and off, how you can switch on and switch off the imagers. The clear instruction is given here. Manually focusing the image, how you can manually focusing the image, automatically focusing the image, autofocus, and how you can press the shutter on and off, and how you can easily escape by pressing the escape button. This is the manuals. Here's also we can just initiate our imagers for more discussion. This is the chargers of Testo company, where you can insert the battery as this. The two port is here also a port, here also a port. You have to just keep it here, one, and another one you can keep it here, the battery. After that, if the battery is not full charged, or suppose the 20% charge has been filled up, then this light here, the light is given. If you are switching on, this light will be blinking, and after the full charge the light will be steady. So you can easily understand that the battery of this Testo company for the imagers has been fully charged. And the another one, the battery, easily you can keep it here and press it for proper place. And if you are just plugging to the adapters, this is the adapters of the Testo company. This is the adapter. You can see the adapters input, what is the model, what is the input, and what is the output. Everything you can see from this adapter nameplate. Testo AG, the adapter tag, AC adapter model ATSO24T WO50V. Input is 100 to 240 volt AC, 50 to 60 Hz, and current is 0.58 ampere. Output is 5 volt and 4 ampere. Risks of electrical shock, dry location use only. Okay, this is the adapters, 2-port adapters. You can see here, this is the 2-port adapters, and this is the just funda for the how you can charge the battery, rechargeable battery for the using purpose. Let's start about the discussions of Testo 890. The Testo 890 is an imagers of the thermovision scanner. You can easily scan the thermovisions of the transmissions line, distribution substation, transmission substations easily for getting the data that the thermovisions are started or hotspots. You can see very easily from the 30-degree temperatures up to the visible hotspot. Everybody know that the visible hotspot has in temperatures above 400 degrees Celsius. You cannot visible by the naked eye. By you can using this imagers you can easily identify the coming hotspot or the hotspot starting in a which parts of the transmissions line, which parts of the substations, clamp connectors, which parts of the dead end are just in the hotspot situations. So it is very important camera. You can buy also these. I will give you the details from here of the nameplate, and also I am just doing the video. You can easily note down and process the purchase. This is a very good camera for the imager or the thermovisions. And here some options as given. This is the power switch, this is the hold switch, this is the ESC. If you are just quit some options, you have to press the ESC options. And upper side AB, and this button is present. If you are capturing any pictures, you have to press it here, the picture will be captured. And if you want to save the pictures, then again press it for saving the picture. A and B, what is the A and B? This is the lots of imagers, lots of options or models or types of thermovisions here. If you want to change your desirable thermovision options, if you press the A button, then automatically scroll down to your desirable locations, and easily you can focus. Autofocus options is provided here. You can autofocus or you can manually adjust it the focus for getting the good data, and which parts you want to focus. Obviously use the manual focus option, because the manual focus options will give you the more accurate data. Let start of the installation. How you can install it? This is the chamber of the battery. Just pull it out. An open hole, you can see here the open hole of the battery chambers, and easily you can just insert the battery here by pressing a lock. This is a lock. By pressing a lock you can easily insert the battery. I'm inserting the battery, and press for the proper location to lock and shut it. And now this is the total imaginary image of the imagers, and if you are pressing here, this skin will also be open. You can see here the installations of the Testo and how it is look like that. This is the imagers. From here let's discuss about the manual operations. First you have to switch on. By pressing this switch, the camera will automatically switch on, and then you have to press here. these options, press it, and for the better positions or for better pointing you have to press this second option, not third option. Second option, if you are pressing the second option, maximum, minimum and average temperature automatically come in the skin, and then press the pointer options. And if you are just pointing some clamp connectors, it will automatically selected the clamp connector maximum, average and minimum temperature. So this is the basic idea of the imagers. This is the image. From here you can easily rotate this or define camera. Two lights are present in the two sides, and this is the lens. We are using this thermovision lens for capturing the video, and also you can easily capture the thermovision spot from here. Also here the autofocus options are present. If you will select the autofocus options, you can easily rotate it according to your visible angle. If you are rotating it, you can see here the rotating big skins, you can see easily the temperatures. So if you are going to the autofocus options, then you have to press this. If you are pressing this and if you are pressing to the autofocus, a inside sound will be there. So by help of this autofocus option, the camera or imagers or automatically focus the objects, but suggest that autofocus options is sometimes not working properly due to the visible light or different obstacles. So I am suggesting for the manual operations. If you are doing the manual operations, the autofocus option automatically off, then you have to press it and press the first option and second option, automatically focusing the maximum, average and minimum temperatures. So this is the total tutorial about the Testo 890 imager camera. So this is very important for the transmissions line, distribution substation and also the transmission substation or grid substation. So you can buy this camera because I have an experience of capturing the thermovisions from this thermovisions camera, and it is very good because you are getting the maximum, average and minimum temperature automatically selecting. So friend, if you are interested, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated technical video. Thank you very much for watching my video.